Namaste everyone. Welcome to day 5 of our challenge Master Your Breath. Yesterday, you worked with inhalation retention. Today, we are going to work a little deeper exhalation retention. Remember one thing, when you work with inhalation and learn retaining the breath there, you strengthen your lungs. When you work retention in exhalation, you strengthen your heart also. So today practice is going to be beautiful, powerful, those who have a weak heart, those who store so much inside the heart, those who suppress a lot. Very important mastery today. Let's begin the sadhana, let's begin the practice, and let's strengthen the exhalation with retention. Those who are coming new, first time in this video, I will request you to join our day 1 class. Start from there. So slowly you strengthen your prana, your breath. Let's begin. Today we are doing the sadhana in Padmasana. If you are comfortable with Padmasana, lotus pose, you do lotus pose. Otherwise, choose the same asana which you are doing from last few days. Okay? Sit straight. Hands are simply placed on top of the knee, or simply hands are in interlock position. See which one is more comfortable today. And you will choose that mudra. Close your eyes. And now relax everyone first. Make sure that you are choosing the pose in which you can stay at least 10 to 15 minutes quietly. Now, bring the attention back to the breathing. Let's do a few preparation before you begin exhalation retention mastery. Take a deep inhale, mouth exhale. Release. One more time, inhale. This time, nose exhale. Release. Let's begin exhalation mastery. Slowly inhale, no count with inhalation. As you exhale, leave the exhalation 1 second and then take a pause for 1 second. Then release the exhale again 1 second, take a pause for 1 second. Again exhale 1 second, again pause. 3 number we will use, means 3 exhalation with 3 pause we will practice, and then after a few rounds we add 5 number, means 5 pause. Let's go. Together once again, inhale straight. Everyone start exhaling. Pause. Exhale. Pause. Exhale. Pause. Exhale with the nose, not throat. Once again, inhale. Exhale. Pause. Exhale. Pause. Exhale. Pause. And complete exhale now. Inhale. Exhale. Pause. Exhale. Pause. Exhale. Pause. Complete exhale. Full exhale. Again, inhale. Now exhale. Pause. Exhale. Pause. Little exhale. Pause. Complete exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Pause. Exhale. Pause. Exhale. Pause. Complete exhale. Inhale. Little exhale. Pause. Exhale. Pause. Exhale. pause, complete exhale. When I say complete exhale, use the mouth for this complete exhale. But when I say pause exhale, that time you're using only nose. Let's do two more rounds. Inhale, exhale, nose, pause. Exhale, pause. Exhale, pause. Complete exhale. Inhale, exhale, pause. Exhale, pause. Exhale, pause. Complete exhale. Relax. Come back to natural breath. Relax the belly, the chest, and see the change. Your heart is softer, your body is stable, and the mind is stable. And once everything is stable, let's take one more step further. This time, we take a 5 pause with 5 little exhale. Get ready, everyone. Back straight. Relax the belly. First, you complete exhale. Now, straight inhale. Exhale, pause. 1. Exhale, pause. 2. Exhale, pause. 3. Exhale, pause. 4. Exhale, pause. 5. Complete exhale, mouth. Inhale, exhale, pause. Exhale, pause. Exhale, pause. Exhale, pause. Exhale, pause. Complete exhale. Let's do 3 more rounds on your own. Follow your own number, own rhythm, own breathing. Continue. Now relax, everyone. If you notice 5 count and 5 pause are challenging, please continue 3. You need to strengthen your lungs, the heart, the energy. So not to push. Remember always the energy practices goes always with samyam, with softness, with samarpan, where you are surrender, not fighting. This is the right way to practice. Let's try 7 this time. Those who are ready, those who are having longer exhalation, and those who are regularly practicing pranayam, breath control. Let's do inhale, everyone. exhale, pause, exhale, pause, exhale, pause, exhale, pause, exhale, pause, exhale, pause, exhale, pause. Complete exhale, mouth. Empty. Inhale. Exhale, pause. 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 Complete exhale. Inhale. Last round, follow your own. And relax. Now bring the attention back to the body. Everyone to release the pressure from the heart, from the chest, from the belly. Let's take together. Deep inhale and release the exhale with a sound. Gently palms together. Rub your palm. Massage all the way from top head down every part of the body. And relax. Slowly open your eyes. Namaste. So, that is your practice. Share the video with others, help them to master their breath. I'll see you again in the next video to master another breath to go a little more deeper. See you all soon. Namaste.